Spectrum Laser, and welcome to In the Cut, where we watch lasers do all kinds of different applications, and we have so many kinds of lasers, and today we're using the Muse. That is our laser with the camera feature, and we are cutting just some tags for Christmas presents out of wood. Let's check out the design. Nope, we don't have it? Oh, okay. All right, well, let's just watch it cut then. Now, when using the Muse, remember that you have two settings that you can set up the Muse, two modes really. So there's a relative and an absolute. Now, absolute is going to be inside the software after you take a picture of your bed and whatever you're going to be engraving or cutting. That's going to be where the design is absolutely on your piece of material. That's what the camera is good for. Now, if you don't want to use that feature or you don't want to use the camera, you can always just set it to relative, and that's just going to start the job in the upper left-hand corner of any file that you drag in it. So there you go, guys. In a couple of minutes, you can have your own custom tags. Now, if we were just to cut these out, we didn't want to engrave on them, they would take seconds. But since we wanted to engrave on them, it took around a minute for each one, especially the Santa Claus guy. So if you guys want to see your application or something on this show being engraved or laser, you have some idea that you want it, or it's just some random material that you haven't seen us do before, please let us know. I'll do it. It'll be fun. So check us out next time. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and until next time, keep... Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like those videos, please subscribe. We got more videos of me over here.